Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to clean the grout tiles whether in the kitchen or in the washroom. If you see between the tiles the lining are really looking very dirty and black, so it's a very easy way and you can find the material at home to clean it. So here I'm using the bleach, which is around like $10. This is usually used for in the kitchen to clean it, the dishes. So let's see. All I'm using is bleach and one toothbrush, the old toothbrush. Let's do how does it look after the finishing, before and after. Let's have a look. So what I'm doing, I'm pouring little bit between the line, and I will spread a little with the brush. Okay, yeah, and I'll scrub it now and see how it looks. All you need to do is just scrub it up, and that's it. Let's get the cloth and clean it up. Let's take a look at the result. So take a look. Wow, it's super clean and it's not very expensive too. So here is the difference. This is the earlier, this one and this one. If you see, there's a big difference. Look at this one and this one. And here I have cleaned some. Here the clean one after the cleaning, and here is the old one. So it's super easy and it's not very expensive. All you need is a bleach and a toothbrush, the old toothbrush, and one cloth. And you can use in the kitchen tile grout or in the bathroom tile grout. It's very simple. It's not very expensive. It takes an hour to clean everything and your kitchen or your bathroom looks really clean. Thanks for watching. Hope it will help. Please write some comment if you really like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And I'm shooting in Canada. Yeah.